Hey guys, so we found slime and it is late, bro. Like literally late. If we hear
It's
you,
9. It just turned 9. Dude, it's about to be past 9 now.
so guys, I'm sorry. Can I get some out of that?
Yeah.
So guys, wait. Let me show them the front of the
No, I
case.
want it.
Okay, so guys, we got the slime simulator slime.
Yeah, and if you actually do it, dude, can you move your hand? If you have the game called Super Slime Simulator, you make like different kinds of slime, and like, yeah, and some
Can
people
we just get it out now?
make this and then we'll get it out.
Okay, guys, we're getting it out. Hurry up.
Dude, this is like stuck in the case.
What is
Here, hold this much real quick.
Okay. Guys, look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. Okay, yes.
This stuff is really awesome. I think, what is it called? It's called Wing.
Yeah, you have to go like this. And then you go.
There you go, man.
Oh, yeah. Yes, dude. Yes. You go like, ooh.
So I don't, if you guys watch,
It takes a swirl and then. Make sure you keep a little bit if they come. Yes, bro. Dude, this is good. This is good quality slime right here, dude.
Yeah.
So I'm at my cousin's house right now.
Yeah. We're going to a gold show tomorrow.
Yes, bro. I'm probably gonna record there actually. So be ready for that. Yeah. So yeah. It's late right now, like late at night. Okay, Sarvi's sleeping. We have a shell on.
Called Ziv and Shark.
I think Sharky or something. And
I'm gonna call it Shark.
did you hear that? This is what they come.
Right now.
Dude, right now we're just obsessed with slime. Like, I haven't played with slime in a while.
Because, I guess it's...
Whatever. So guys, we got this right here. We got that. And we're gonna, yes. Then we're gonna show you. We're watching this right now.
You guys, right now...
Don't talk too loud.
Oh, crap.
What? Do you hear someone?
No.
I hear someone.
There's Tana walking around.
She's walking?
Yeah.
Why?
She's doing something.
Or is she comes and tells mom?
She won't. I always play with her.
At night? Are you allowed to do this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. At night? At like 9?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get to stay up as long as I want anyway.
Okay. Well then, yeah, never mind. We could be doing this all we want, like right now.
Whoa, dude.
Full beats are flying.
So you gotta like do it softly.
Yeah, but we don't like doing this often. There's not only white beads, there's also like these little black pebbles. Because this is like watermelon related.
It's
So,
called
you know.
raw watermelon.
It is?
Yeah, it's called it says raw watermelon.
Oh yeah.
I don't.
Wait, let me show the slime case. This is from Nickelodeon also.
Yeah, they dump these on like people's heads and stuff. If
They
you
do?
haven't seen that, go check that out.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, shout out to Slime Simulator and Nickelodeon. Because we wouldn't have had this slime if it wasn't for them.
We're gonna make a shout out on Gotcha too for them.
Gotcha?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shout out to
And we gotta shout out to our fans who keep on complimenting us.
if you comment, we will subscribe to your channel.
If you have a channel,
We'll love the comment. We will like the comment and
we will.
reply to the comment. Bruh. Wait, I'm gonna put it here. If you guys don't believe me, it's light. Let me show you outside right now. We live in California. Here is what it looks like. Yeah. Bailey said it was like 9:50 right now, so wait though. I don't know if we should be awake. Her mom said that we could stay whenever we want.
His mom didn't let him stay up late.
Yeah. So that's why I'm surprised. Dude, you have way more than me.
I do.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thanks. Let's get this and peace out real quick.
I
My
have more
hands-
phone beads, but I don't want to get them out there messy.
Whoa, Sarvi's just passed out. Sarv's, the doggies, has just passed out. Okay, can you see me touching her? She's right here. She is just, hello? Are you even alive?
Okay, dude, stop.
Oh, she's alive, she's alive.
She's sleeping, man.
Sorry, you can go back to sleep. Say hi, Sarves. Say hi. Oh, hello. Yeah, guys. I don't know when I'm going to end this video. Check out our new channel on that video. I don't know if it got demonetized. I don't know yet. We haven't checked.
Guys,
Yeah? Oh, wait, why did I say hi to you? Yeet.
we want to say something. We put up this new video, and it's called ABC.
Yeah.
ABC, yeah, and something else.
Don't talk about...
Yeah, I know. You go check that out. Make sure to comment.
And please don't demonetize it. Wait, I don't know if it's still on.
I don't want you guys to watch it. It's like it's only for like kids who
It's
are 8 and higher.
8 and higher? Heck no, like 16 or something at least. Well, if you watch it,
And if you watch
I don't
it
know.
and you're
Okay,
pretty secure around
bye.
it, yeah.
Wait, should we leave it or should we just keep going?
Let's keep on going, man. I don't know when to say bye.
Whoops, guys. Look at my bandana. Hey.
I got.
Ew, why are you from purple? Santa Claus. Ugh. 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 Ew. Whoa, look at my slime. Ooh. Actually, this is actually pretty fun. Yay.
I want to get more Nickelodeon slime,
Yeah,
but
but-
blue.
Maybe it's time to. I heard something. Should we put it away? Oh, because we're allowed to stay up all night, remember.
Yeah, dude, why are you freaking out?
Oh, Daddy feet. Oh my god. Ew. He's naked right now, guys. It's too shiny for you guys to see. Whoops. Why do I keep saying whoops? That was in one of my other YouTube videos, bro.